This is your science teacher, Gayatri. Our chapter name is Adaptation in Plants and Animals. We already started discussing about adaptation in animals. Now, we are going to discuss about animals in grassland. What is meant by grassland? See, it's a large open area covered with grass. Okay, so in grasslands, few trees also will be there. But grasslands lack large trees. Okay, and there will be no heavy bushes present in grassland. The animals that live in grasslands are adapted to dry and windy conditions. Here, often fire outbreaks will be there. So, what happened? Most of the animals adapted to live in burrows. What is meant by burrow? It is a hole dug by an animal. So, if in case a fire happens in grassland, what happened? Most of the animals adapted to live in burrows. So, they'll escape, okay, from fire. We already said in grasslands there will be no large trees and no dense trees to provide shelter to various animals. So here only grazing animals will come. What is meant by grazing? Land where farm animals feeds on grass. Farm animals means like cow, okay, cow, sheep and all. Okay, so herds. What is this term called herds? It is a collective term. Okay, a group of animals that's called herds. Some other animals also will be there in grasslands like giraffe, wild turkeys, antelopes, rhinoceros, rabbits and some insects like grasshoppers which are also found in the grasslands. So now we'll see how grasshopper survives in grassland. So it might have some special features to survive in a grassland. So what are the special features? Have you all seen a grasshopper? See, the shape of a grasshopper matches with the grass. The color is green in color. Okay, the same color of grass. So it matches well with the background. So if an enemy, other enemy tries to attack grasshopper, what it will do? It can hide itself well in the grassland. Okay, because the grass is also in green color. Grasshopper's shape and color is also in green color. So it can hide itself well in grassland areas. And it have long hind legs. It is used for hopping. What is meant by hind legs? That is posterior legs. Okay. It is present behind the front legs. That is called hind legs. So, grasshopper is having long hind legs which is used for hopping. What is meant by hopping? Bouncing. Okay. When disturbed, the grasshopper bursts into flight. The short hind legs are used to hold food. Okay. While flying, their colorful wings can be seen. So, these bright red or blue wings confuse their enemies. These are all some features of a grasshopper that helps it to survive in a grassland. Animals in polar regions. In polar regions, animals have to face extreme winter. So, example is polar bear. Features of a polar bear to adapt in polar regions. Polar bear have thick fur on their body and thick layer of fat present below their skin to keep them warm during extreme winter. See, the color of the polar bear is white So it can protect themselves from any predators, and it can also easily catch the prey. Okay. Hibernation. What is hibernation? Some animals go for a long sleep in their caves or holes to escape the extreme weather conditions. This long period of sleep is known as hibernation. And then, before hibernation, animals eat a lot of food and store fat in their bodies. During hibernation, they use the stored fat in their body to survive. Once the conditions are favorable again, they return to their native places. Some of the examples are ant, snakes, black bears, ground squirrels, turtles, etc. Migration. Some birds living in extreme winter regions will move to warmer regions. An example for migratory bird is Siberian crane. See, these Siberian crane nest in Russia and they will migrate to India, covering a distance of almost 6,450 kilometers. Answer the following questions. Write some features of a grasshopper that help it to survive in a grassland. Write some features that help polar bears to adapt in polar regions. Refer chapter 3, page number 32. Write an example for hibernating animals. Why do some animals migrate from one place to another? Write an example for migratory birds.